Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Forscan edition and license so you know which installer to use. Once done, back up your profiles and any adapter settings. This prevents data loss if something changes. Then download the matching Forscan installer for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Make sure the file checksum or signature matches the release. While downloading, prepare your adapter and vehicle, charged battery, stable USB or Bluetooth link, and admin access on your computer. Start the installer immediately when ready. Run the Forscan installer with administrator privileges so drivers and services install cleanly. As it proceeds, install any required USB or Bluetooth drivers and accept prompts for driver signing. These let your adapter communicate. Once the base app is installed, launch Forscan and let it check for module and plugin updates. Install those components next, because they include critical protocol fixes. Make sure to restart your computer if prompted, and verify the adapter connects. Finish by connecting to the vehicle and running Forscan's self-test to confirm protocols and modules are detected. Once connected, restore any backed up profiles if your settings were reset, and run a quick scan to ensure all control modules respond. If something goes wrong, check that drivers match the adapter, confirm the correct COM port or Bluetooth pairing, and review Forscan logs for errors. These clues point to permission, driver, or hardware issues. If needed, reinstall drivers and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.